Hey there, music creators. Are you looking for a way to extend your favorite tracks effortlessly? In today's video, I'll show you how to use Suno AI, a fantastic free tool to seamlessly extend any song. Let's get started. Step 1. Access Suno AI. First, head over to Suno AI's website. If you're not already signed up, create an account. It's quick and free. Once you're logged in, you'll land on their intuitive music editing dashboard. Step 2. Upload your song. Next, click on the upload button or drag and drop your music file into the workspace. Suno supports a variety of formats like MP3 and WAV, so you're good to go. Step 3. Select the Extend feature. Once your song is uploaded, navigate to the Extend feature. This option lets you repeat sections or generate new transitions, making the extension sound natural and professional. Step 4. Customize the extension. Here's the fun part. Customizing your extension. Choose how much longer you want the song to be and let Suno handle the transitions. You can even preview the changes to make sure it matches your vision. Step 5. Download your extended song. Finally, when you're happy with the result, click on Download to save your extended track. It's ready to use in your projects or playlists. And that's how you extend a song in Suno AI. Simple, fast, and free. If you found this tutorial helpful, hit the like button, subscribe for more tips, and let me know in the comments what song you'll extend first. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching.